In a surprising move, the Philadelphia Flyers have placed center Ryan Johansen on unconditional waivers, with the intent to terminate his contract due to what they term a material breach. This decision has caught many off guard, particularly given Johansen's recent history and the context of his acquisition. Johansen, who was acquired by the Flyers from the Colorado Avalanche just before last season's trade deadline, had his contract picked up by Philadelphia in a deal that also saw defenseman Sean Walker move to the Avalanche. Johansen, carrying a cap hit of $4 million for the upcoming season, was expected to provide some relief for the Flyers as they adjusted their roster and salary cap situation. However, the situation took a turn for the worse almost immediately. Shortly after the trade, Johansen was placed on waivers by the Flyers with hopes of assigning him to their AHL affiliate, the Lehigh Valley Phantoms. This move was aimed at either having Johansen clear waivers or potentially finding another team interested in taking him on. Unfortunately, his hip injury, something that had been lingering, prevented him from passing a physical. This complication meant that Johansen was unable to be bought out by the Flyers in June, adding to the team's salary cap woes. As a result of the contract termination, Johansen will clear waivers and become an unrestricted free agent. He will likely file a grievance with the NHL Players Association, that is NHLPA, given the nature of his release. Such grievances can lead to negotiated settlements, as seen in previous cases. The impact of this move is twofold. For the Flyers, it means an immediate relief from Johansen's $4 million cap hit, but they may face a cap charge if Johansen's grievance proves successful. For the Nashville Predators, who had retained 50% of Johansen's initial $8 million cap hit when he was traded to the Avalanche, this termination means their cap penalty is now erased. This is similar to the recent situation with the Washington Capitals and Evgeny Kuznetsov, where a mutual contract termination cleared a substantial cap charge. Johansen, 32, was signed to an 8-year, $64 million contract by the Nashville Predators in 2017. His career, which began with high expectations as the 4th overall pick in the 2010 NHL Draft, has seen significant ups and downs. After a decent stint with the Predators, his performance faltered, leading to his trade to Colorado. Unfortunately for Johansen, his time with the Avalanche was marred by injury and diminished production, which continued into his brief time with the Flyers. With Johansen now entering free agency, his future is uncertain. He will need to pass a physical before signing with any new team, and his recent injury issues may be a concern for potential suitors. The Flyers' decision highlights the complexities and challenges of managing player contracts and injuries in the NHL, and it will be interesting to see how Johansen's situation develops moving forward. Stay subscribed for more videos.